and friends, Fidget toy action. Hi everybody, today we're gonna watch some Fidget toy. This is all my Fidget toy collection. Which one I should play first? Maybe this one. Wow, it's simple dimple. Okay, let's do it. What does sound like this? What? Why does boing boing sound? I'll just put it here. It looks so weird. Which one I should play? A Christmas puppet. Okay, a Christmas puppet. 1, 2, 3. What? 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 What is what's up sound? So scary. Okay, so which one I should play? This Among Us. Okay, and which one I should play? Maybe the Tango. This is not Among Us. This is just a Tango. Sorry, you did Among Us. Yeah, this is Tango. It's pretty good. And how about this? Wow, wild sound. Loud sound. Can you do it one more time? Okay. Next is the squishy. Squish the duck. Circle the duck. Squish, 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 squish. Next is the dinosaur. Dinosaur squishy. You're gonna get squished, dinosaur. That's pretty strange. Another balloon squishy. I just made this. Just made it. Ready, set, yeah. Why does it sound like this everywhere? Oh well, this one? Why does what's up sound everywhere? So noisy. So, nothing. But thank you for watching, everybody. See you. And this is all my Fidget toy action. Fidget toy. Bye.